In this video, I will be installing a remodeling box. I need to do this because the old light was a bath bar, which was a combination light with the device box installed inside of it, so there's no device box behind here. The problem I have is there's also no studs anywhere near where the light was. So I ended up getting this remodeling box, which is used specifically in situations where there are no studs and it needs to be held in place by the drywall. So each box comes with this little piece of paper. I've made a line on the wall, which is halfway between the wall and the window. And basically, I just turned this piece of paper until I captured the old hole, so it is kind of looking sideways. And to cut out the hole, I'm just going to use a utility knife. Now this box is pretty much like any other, except it has these two side tabs on it. So the drywall actually catches the side tabs so that the box doesn't go all the way in. And it has these two screws with these arms attached. So when you turn the screw to tighten it, the arm goes to the side, stops when it hits the box, and then as you turn the screw in, the arm gets pulled closer into the drywall and tightens everything up. So like I previously showed, I've already traced out the template for the box, and now I just have to cut along the pencil mark, which is difficult to do when you're holding a camera. So I'll put this down. So I've cut it out, I've pulled the electrical wires into the box and tightened everything up, put on the ground, and the box just slides in the hole just like that. Now you can see the arm in there, and as I turn the screw, you'll see it go behind the drywall, and now it'll terminate when it hits the box on the other side. And then just tighten the screw until the box is firmly in place. Now this one didn't start going right away. I'm assuming the plastic behind it sort of bunched up and prevented it from moving. That's okay. I just reach in with the screwdriver, get it moving, and then continue tightening the screw. As long as that arm has caught the drywall, it should be fine. And obviously just tighten the screws until the arm on the back side is firmly against the drywall and everything's tightened in place. And that's pretty much all there is to the installation of the remodeling box. Last thing I'll do is put on this little utility light, so I have some lights in the bathroom to work with. So you can see there's a hole in the wall. I'm gonna have to patch that up, and then because I moved the light about 4 inches to the left, I'm gonna have to fill in some of those holes where the light was before. And you can see the light's held firmly in place, and I'll be able to put a slightly larger light in that place. This is also the first video I've shot with this new camera that I picked up, so hopefully my low light shooting looks a little bit better. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.